Hi, Trigify just released an amazing integration that I wanted to show you and explain you why it's really great news for anyone using Lagos Machine today. But what is Trigify? If you're doing sales automation, you probably know that the reply rates are decreasing. And so you need to be creative to get more replies. What you probably already know if you're already using LinkedIn to generate leads is that when you post on LinkedIn, you create a community of people that will be more keen to discuss with you, converse with you, and so do business with you. So what you probably do, and if you don't, you should, you probably post on LinkedIn. But maybe you don't do the rest. If you post on LinkedIn, you'll find people who liked and commented your post. Okay, but if they like and commented your post, they're probably closer to you than someone that's completely cold. You could outreach to them and engage, create a conversation with them to start to see if they would be interested in your offer. But should you engage with everyone who engage with your post? You probably don't want to engage with your brother, with your, your former colleague, etc., etc. So you probably want to filter that list based on certain criteria. And you also probably want to do that for each individual post that you created in your LinkedIn profile. So that's exactly what Trigify helps you to do. With Trigify, you will connect your LinkedIn accounts. That's what I did here. You can see also that I connected my company account and some other profiles. You can connect your profile, but also someone else's profile. So if you want to connect your competitor, you can do this too. And so every day, Trigify will scrap anyone who liked or commented your post, enrich the profile to get tons of data, his title, his company, the company headcount for the selected company, tons of data. You can also click the button and just get the link, the email, or click the button and get the mobile number. What's really nice is that you can basically filter that list for people who, let me show you the filters. Here. You can filter that list to get only people who don't match certain criteria or that match certain criteria. For example, you can say, okay, I only want the CXO that engage with my posts, starting to see where I want to go. So you can filter that list, and you can also say, okay, I only want people who engage with my post at least 2 times, or even 5 times, I don't care. You can also create automatic segmentation. They called it AI smart tags. That's basically a description of the fields that you have here, but preset. So I created a few tags, the CEO, the founders, the growth, sales, and the company that match my ICP. You can do the same for your own company. When you do this, for example, 2, it will filter your list. And when you filtered that list, now you have your own filters, of course. You will be able to select anyone, one or all the people in that list. I will only select 2 for the example, 1 and 2. Click Save To, export to Lagos Machine, and then look for the audience. I just created a new audience that's named Trigify Demo. And now it will push those 2 leads directly to Lagos Machine. If you go into the Trigify Demo audience on Lagos Machine, you will find the leads just here. I'll reload the page. You see the 2 leads that's been pushed by Trigify. And this audience is already connected to a Lagos Machine campaign. You can see it here, Trigify Demo. And so if the person is already a contact, he will receive a first message, and if he doesn't reply, a voice message on Lagos Machine. If he's not already one of my first level contact, then I will add him as a relation, like his latest post, and 7 days later, choose between sending a regular LinkedIn message on LinkedIn or an email if he didn't accept my invitation. So using Trigify plus this kind of flow, you'll probably get a lot more replies than if you targeting cold leads. If you want to try this, let me know. Cheers.